Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the new year, January, and the first 15 days of January I'll be talking about and wishing you a very happy new year, Taurians. So let's see what's there for January for you for the first 15 days. So let's see what's there for first 15 days for Taurians. Okay, so we have the King of Wands, the Page of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, okay, the World, the Four of Swords, the Devil. Oh, it wasn't the Devil, it is Ace of Cups. And here we have the Devil, okay. The Ten of Cups and the Chariot, okay. Okay, anyway, it can be this also, that it was this side or something. Anyway, we'll have the clarifiers. So, to start with, you are feeling very empowered over here with the King of Wands. That is a beautiful energy to start with. Seems to be like your own energy, being very powerful, feeling very good about yourself, feeling very attractive about yourself, and confident, and you're moving in towards a situation with a lot of emotions. Though you are being a little undecided about it, still trying to make up your mind, but then I think you will make a mind, you will take a decision and enter into this new sphere of your life. So you will take a positive decision over here, giving it the time, with the Four of Swords, moving towards your wish fulfillment. Let's see, let's start clarifying. So we have the King of Wands to start with. What is this King of Wands about? What is this King of Wands about for Taurians? So for the King of Wands, we have the Eight of Wands, the Magician, and the Three of Swords. Okay. So what I feel here is that perhaps you were upset over a situation. Maybe there was some situation which you were upset about, which you really felt bad about. But perhaps with the communication, after communicating with the person concerned, you are trying to manifest a new beginning with the same person perhaps. So here you are trying to manifest something and trying to manifest it by communicating and talking to that person. Perhaps you are talking about this, something which is bothering you and something which is upsetting you. That is what I feel. So you want to start something new, or maybe correct something. Something has gone wrong with this Three of Swords which you didn't like, whatever it's caused your heartbreak, and you're trying to solve it by communication. That's what I feel. You want to communicate with the person and to ask, okay, how can we mend it, how can we solve it, can we do something about it, something like that. Let's see. And here with the Page of Cups, you're opening up, you're offering your emotions, you're opening up emotionally for something over here. Let's see what is this Page of Cups about. So for the Page of Cups, we have the Hierophant, okay, the High Priestess, and the Nine of Cups. So definitely you are talking about a connection over here. So you are trying to sort out something which is troubling you, and this talk seems to be, you seem to open up over here, offering your emotions, and it is definitely about a commitment with the Hierophant. Okay, you want a commitment from this person. With the High Priestess and the Nine of Cups, you really view this person as your, or this situation as your wish fulfillment. You have commitment on your mind, but with the High Priestess, yes, you are not rushing in. You are very intuitive over here. You are listening to your intuition. Your intuition says, yes, this is right, and intuitively you are guided to move in a way that the steps are small which you are taking. So you're not rushing in, though you really have a lot of passion for this person, but yes, you are going slow. Okay, you are not taking any rapid and fast actions, but yes, you are talking about this commitment. That is what I feel. So this communication is with the person whom you view as your perfect partner. And here with the Two of Pentacles, then what are you still trying to make up your mind on? What is this all about? What is this Two of Pentacles about, Taurian, for Taurians? So for the Two of Pentacles, we have the Six of Pentacles, the World, and the Tower. Okay. So with the Two of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles, definitely you are just trying to make up your mind and just balance the situation in some way, shape or form. But with the Tower and with the World over here, you are definitely entering a new phase. But why is this Tower over here? When you are trying to take a decision, and with the World card here and with the World card following this, so definitely you are opening up a new chapter of your life. Definitely. Then what is this Tower about? Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands and the Three of Wands. So maybe somebody is, there is definitely something to this situation which is unexpected in the way that perhaps this person doesn't give you a clear answer. It can be that also. Somebody is keeping you waiting here. You want a new beginning, but there is some sort of waiting going on over here. Somebody has to wait, or maybe they are not giving a clear answer to you. Maybe they are undecided, or maybe since they have not given you a clear decision, that is why you really are not able to understand what to do, what not. Maybe that is something which is unexpected over here. It can be that also. Doesn't seem to, and nothing seems to be that bad with the Tower also. Maybe that is just, perhaps you are expecting that yes, this person will say yes and they didn't say that. It can be just that. Nothing. That is what I feel. But with the Ace of Wands over here, there is a new beginning. There is a new beginning with the World and the Ace of, maybe they take some time. It can be that also with the Three of Wands. Maybe they are taking the time to decide. With the Page of Pentacles, not moving ahead so much. Maybe that is what it is all about, and you were perhaps expecting an immediate yes from them. It can be that also. Let's see. And here we have the World also. Definitely you are entering a new phase, whatever it is. Let us see what is this World about. We have the Justice, the Two of Swords and the Sun. See, some decision is definitely being taken here with the Two of Swords and the Justice, the World and the Sun. You are taking a decision which makes you happy, as simple as that. That is what it is. If they are keeping you waiting, I really don't know, then you are waiting for them or not then. Maybe they are taking a time to decide, but definitely with the World, the Justice, the Two of Swords and the Sun, you are taking a decision of towards your own happiness. That is for sure. You want happiness. Some indecision is definitely there, but what is this indecision about? Maybe somebody is not able to make up their mind. Till now doesn't seem to be anything which is very, it's not giving any reason as to why the other person is waiting and not giving an answer, or you are juggling, or whatever it is. It doesn't seem to be anything bad till now. Maybe just the nature of the other person is being a little indecisive. And here with the Four of Swords, here you are giving the situation the time, giving yourself the time, focusing on your own healing. That's what I feel. With the Four of Swords, let's see what is this Four of Swords about. So with the Four of Swords, we have the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Wheels, and the Queen of Cups. So you're focusing on your emotional contentment over here. You're working hard. With the Ten of Wheels, the Queen of Cups, you are working hard on yourself. You are focusing on yourself. You are working on your own happiness. That is for sure. Even if they are not able to make up your mind, you are moving forward. I'm not saying that you are leaving them, but you are focusing on your own happiness. That is what the change is about. That is what I feel. You are working hard for your own happiness. That is for sure. Maybe you are giving the time of healing to whatever was troubling you over here with the Three of Swords. And here with the Three of Swords here, the Three of Wands here, maybe it is a love triangle. can be for some of you it is a love triangle, and that is why it is a tower for you. Once you are able to once you come to know that it is a tower for you, because following it we have the justice card also. Maybe that is the truth which has come out. It can be that also. And that is why you started focusing on your own self, on your own happiness. And once you do that, here we have the Ace of Cups, which is definitely an emotional contentment. You are feeling happy. Maybe it is a new connection coming in your life, a brand new connection. Let us see what is this Ace of Cups about. Yes, that is what I said. Now you have the commitment coming in with the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So definitely once you detach yourself from this situation, you stop investing. Maybe then if the same person comes in, it can be that also they realize that, okay, what is this happening, and I really need to rush towards this person. It can be that then they make up their mind, or this may be entirely a new person. The vibe which I am getting is it's someone new. That's what I feel. And this is a person who is really giving you the commitment and is ready to have a new beginning with you. What is this Devil here for? These cards came together, so it can be that this Devil should be here, and it doesn't really make much of a difference anyway. Let's see what is this Devil talking about for Taurians. The Hermit, the Page of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. Lovers. So nothing really bad. What I feel is with the Devil, you are just trying to, for the Devil we have the Hermit, the Page of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the Lovers. So definitely with the Devil here, it can be just the temptation of returning back, the to and fro. You're just trying to correct it also. We have the Hermit card. So you are definitely diving into yourself. You're really focusing on your intuition, and you're just trying to correct that negativity or whatever the temptation is, perhaps of going back, or maybe those memories which may hold you back. So you're definitely working on them. That's what I feel. Okay, so this is something which is holding you back. And with the Page of Cups, the King of Wands, you are really working hard to come out of that negative situation and feel the passion and the love in you for a new connection. Okay, so it can be, as I said, it is here and it is there, and you definitely are finding a new commitment. And again we have the Ten of Cups over here as the following card after the Devil. So definitely you have a commitment here with the Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. I feel it's new for most of you. Let's see what is this Ten of Cups about for Taurians. We have the Star. Just see the Six of Wands and the Queen of Wands. So here you are, this is your wish fulfillment. You are very happy about it, and you are feeling very, very victorious, happy, celebrating the occasions and feeling attractive over. So all your wishes have come true over here. Taurus, I really feel that now you are feeling very, very content. The pace of your life has started, and you are back to par, back to the right track, and moving with your life in a positive direction. Let us see what is this Chariot here for Taurians. So with the Chariot we have the Judgment, the Six of Cups, the Empress. Maybe a reconciliation, as I said. Once you leave them, maybe they come in. At least for some of you, definitely it is a reconciliation also with the Judgment and the Empress and the Six of Cups. So maybe once you quit the situation and stop investing, and then maybe they realize that they love you, and then they take a decision which they were not taking at that point in time, and you have a new beginning and a major decision over here. And the Chariot, three major cards, and the reconciliation card. Okay, so either it is a reconciliation for most of you, or it is a major decision which has been taken to bring back those happy times. So you are bringing back happiness in your life, that is for sure. For whatever the decision is, it is reconciliation or it is a new person, but yes, definitely you are bringing back the happiness in your life. Let us see what is the message from this deck for Taurians. We have the Jack of Hearts, which talks about that yes, you are reviewing and contemplating. So maybe actually you are reviewing the situation if it is a reconciliation. Otherwise it is about the lessons learned. Once you have learned the lessons, you know what you're supposed to do. So you're reviewing the situation and then moving forward. Let us see what is the guidance from the angels. Positive recognition. Number 19 may be of some significance for you. Congratulations, your plans have worked out perfectly, and now is your time to shine. Brilliant new ideas will present themselves to you, and success is all but assured. Express yourself openly and honestly, knowing that those surrounding you are trustworthy. Be open to unexpected opportunities. So maybe this is an unexpected opportunity with the tower. They are really shaken up. Obviously, you know that. So if you leave them, somebody else is coming, or they come themselves. So let's see what happens. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.